So what does an interface contain? Method declarations or method definitions? Let's ponder on this today. So declaration, this comes from the word declare. Claris means clear. To make it clear, makes clear of existence like type and name. Something exists, it can be partial information. So in Java world, it is the minimum required. So other code can call it or refer to it. When compiling other code, this is the minimum you need. So that's like declaration in Java world. And definition, this comes from the word definite. Fin means end, to finish it. Finish what? Like the real work, the code after which you can finish talking about it. Like exactly what it is. It can be complete, usable, how something is implemented. So in Java world, it is required for it to do something. It only have to be compiled once, not once per caller. So that's like the definition in the Java world. So you can see here in Java docs, declaration is like a statement that establishes an identifier and associates attributes with it without necessarily reserving its storage for data or providing the implementation for methods. And definition is like a declaration that reserves storage for data or provides implementation for methods. So this is like in Java docs. You can exactly find out here that the class declaration is like class some class, and the class definition starts after the class declaration. It is the exact code which is required, which defines the declaration. And similarly for method declaration is like the public void m1, and method definition is after that. So in terms of variables, in Java, there is no distinction between declaration and definition because all info required to define is present in declaration itself. So int I, declaration come definition for variables. However, variable declaration and variable initialization are different. In variable initialization, we give a value to a variable. So you will find in Google and Stack Overflow everywhere that people are discussing about what is the difference between in Java declaration and definition. So you should be aware here that there are multiple viewpoints with minor differences. So can you now answer the question, like what does an interface contain? Method declarations or method definitions? Well, there was a time when interfaces contained only method declarations, but since Java 8, interfaces contain both method declarations as well as method definitions.